This account right here is an account that I've been following for some time now, probably about a year and a half. It's called Happy Downloads. Last year, she was making $500,000 a year and she had like 440,000 followers. Now she got 1 million followers. So you can almost bet that income has more than doubled. So she's making nearly $1 million a year with this one Faceless Instagram account. And all she's doing is selling digital downloads. You can get in on this as well if you are somebody that may be shy, somebody that may not want to build a personal brand but want to build an income, or somebody that just want to see what the hype is all about. And I'll tell you right now, it lives up to the hype, because these accounts right here, including accounts that I've built, are printing money, legally printing money while we sleep. So if you are somebody that's ready to get started with faceless marketing, you definitely want to watch this video to the very end. Choose your niche. Will it be passive income, humor, cats, dog, travel? You want to focus on one topic. How I've completely crushed it with faceless accounts is focusing. Whenever you focus in on a niche, that's when the magic happens. You can't be all over the place whenever you're doing faceless marketing. There are people out here focusing on one niche that just got started a few months ago that's already making $5,000 a month. There are people out here that got 1 million followers that's talking about different topics that's not making anything a month. So the riches are definitely in the niches, so that's why you want to focus in. So that's the number one thing you want to do, and the first thing you want to do is choose your niche. The next thing you got to do is you got to think about how your page is going to make money. That's what you want to focus on, because without making money, the page is no good. You don't want to waste your time and do it for fun. So we got the top 3 ways right here: affiliate marketing, digital products, and shout outs. Affiliate marketing, for example, you get a commission every time somebody click on a link that's not even your company, not even your product. Every time you make a sale, that's an example of affiliate marketing. So I'm going to show you an example of affiliate marketing right here on my impact.com account with, let's say, Bluehost. I'm affiliated with Bluehost. It's web hosting. So somebody click on this link right here and they purchase hosting. I get $50 every single time they make a purchase. This is only one company that I'm affiliated with. Now, if I click this drop down arrow right here, as you can see, I'm affiliated with another hosting company called HostGator. I'm affiliated with Skillshare, even TikTok, Upwork, Web.com. Let's click on Web.com, for example, and let's create an affiliate link. We go right here, and somebody build a website. I get a commission every time that happens. This is affiliate marketing. Let's look at digital products for an example. As you already know, I own PLR Hustle, so this is an example of products that you can sell, of course. Let's scroll down here and let's look at just one of these products right here. Airbnb, how to start an Airbnb and make passive income. You purchase this product once, you get to resell this ebook over and over and over. You can literally create a faceless Instagram page that talks about Airbnb, talks about passive income or rental properties, whichever route you take, and you can sell this one ebook for $25 or however much you choose over and over and over. And this is another example of how to monetize a faceless account after you choose your niche. Last but not least, we got shout outs. Now, if you look at a page like this that I've been following for a long time, they have nearly 1 million followers, but how they make money and how they make really a bulk of their money, probably 90% of it, is through shout outs. So once you build up a faceless account and it gets so big, no matter what niche you are in, people are going to start reaching out to you. You're not even going to have to contact them. They're going to discover your page, and 9 out of 10 people are going to reach out to you for a shout out. Now, shout outs, of course, you sell them depending on your engagement, the amount of people that follow you, how loyal people are to the page. That's how you can come up with the shout out price. If we go down, this is a shout out right here that they're doing for this guy right here for, I guess it's a book. So you can sell shout outs, you can do affiliate marketing, you can sell digital products. It's completely up to you. But this is the third way and one of the most powerful ways to make money with your faceless account. So right now I'm on ChatGPT and I'm going to put generate 30 quotes focused on passive income. This will be used for Instagram, so keep them short. We got 30 quotes right here generating. And the reason why I chose 30, of course, to create a whole month's worth of content. So I'm creating a whole month's worth of content right here with just ChatGPT alone. And I can simply copy each quote. I can come over here to Canva and I can just paste it in here. It says, make money while you sleep. That's the dream. And of course, it'll have a nice beachy background. Whenever you post Instagram Reels like this, and whenever you post this kind of content, what you want to focus on is trending audio on Instagram. So if you go on Instagram, it doesn't show up on desktop where I would show you, but if you go on Instagram, it's going to tell you exactly what audio is trending. So you want to add trending audio to your Instagram Reels. But right here on Canva, they got so many different types of templates that you can check out. There's a ton of templates right here where you can just go ahead and add in your content, write on it, whatever you want to do. So I can hit replace, and I can add another template right here. Canva got all the templates you will ever need. All you need is the unique trending audio. You can even edit this however you want to, and you need to write your quotes on there. So being consistent every day, posting 2 to 3 times a day is going to take you a very long way, because Instagram is pushing Reels like crazy. So whenever they catch your consistency, whenever you're posting 2 to 3 times a day and one of your Reels take off and go viral, that in itself can gain you a whole lot of followers. Another way to generate content is using scripts to AI voices. It's script to voice. And all you have to do is give AI a script and it will read it to you. As you may already seen on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, it'll read it to you. And if you put visuals with that, that's when the magic happens. That's when a true movie is made, whenever you can put those 2 things together. 3 things to be exact: the script, the AI voice, and the visuals. Those are the 3 things you'll need right there to make a Faceless Instagram account work, Faceless TikTok, Faceless YouTube, whatever you decide to do. But since you're here to learn about Instagram, we're only going to focus on Instagram. So I'm going to show you right now this voice that I generated for one of my brands, Wi-Fi Wealth. Let me show you how good this is and how good it turned out.
Here's how to make $15,000 in a week. First, head over to wifiwealth.com. Next, you'll want to purchase a digital product store. Then hire someone on Fiverr.
As you can see, I put the script in there and it's reading it out. Once again, all you got to do is put visuals with that. You can hire somebody to do that, or you can do it yourself. I'll show you exactly how to do that. And once you put all this together, this can also be powerful content for your Faceless Instagram account. Now, this is hours worth of stuff. People that talk about this on YouTube and other platforms, they don't take a deep dive into this. So I have a class called Faceless Income Blueprint, where you learn every single bit of this step by step. I literally walk through every single step and take a deep dive for you so you can learn this exact strategy. I'm not sure who you are or where you want to be eventually with your income, but most people will say that they want to be better than they are today, and most people will also want to make enough money to live a life of freedom. So the Faceless Income Blueprint is going to teach you exactly that. So if you are somebody that want to learn faceless marketing and not bits and pieces here and there, you want to learn the entire strategy and transform your income, you definitely want to go ahead and enroll into Wi-Fi Wealth School to take the Faceless Income Blueprint class. That's the very first class once you enroll into Wi-Fi Wealth School. Every single month, though, I'm going to teach you powerful strategies like this once you enroll into the school. So month 1, you're going to learn how to make Faceless Instagram accounts. Month 2, you may learn YouTube automation and how to do it faceless on YouTube. Month 3, month 4, month 5, you're going to be learning something new every single month inside of Wi-Fi Wealth School. So click the link in the description of this video to go ahead and get enrolled. Right now, you can get enrolled for one price, but in a few days, the price is going up. So give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and let me know what you thought, and I will catch you very soon in my next video.